Magandang araw mga kabasketbolista. Welcome to Uncle Beams TV. In today's video, we will be breaking down the intense action from Game 1 of the NBA Finals between the Dallas Mavericks and the Boston Celtics. Stay tuned as we dive into the game analysis. We will highlight key moments, discuss the major takeaways. So, let's get started. Throughout an 82-game regular season, the Boston Celtics were the best team in the NBA. Heading into the finals, there were plenty of doubters, and the Celtics answered them solidly in Game 1, and they proved them wrong. With an 18-point win that wasn't that close, it was in garbage time with 5 minutes to go. Boston played well on both ends and cruised to a 107-89 win, taking a 1-0 lead in the NBA Finals. Jaylen Brown led the Celtics with 22 points and 3 blocks. Kristaps Porzingis added 20 in his first game in more than a month. Here are 3 takeaways from Game 1. Number 1. Porzingis, the Celtics' missing link. Game 1 changed with 7:17 left in the first quarter. It was a 1-point game when Kristaps Porzingis came off the bench to a massive ovation. He just went on a run where he hit the three, hit the midi, then ran back, got the block at the rim in transition. Porzingis changed the game because he was hitting shots. He started 3 of 4 and, more importantly, threw off the Dallas matchups that had worked pretty well up to that point. Dallas bigs couldn't sag off him to protect the paint, and he punished mismatches. It forced Jason Kidd to call a timeout, but it didn't matter. Boston started to pull away and never relinquish that lead. Porzingis finished with 20 points in 21 minutes, shooting 8 of 13 overall with a couple of 3-pointers, plus 6 boards and 3 blocks. His strong play continued into the second half when Dallas cut the Boston 29-point lead down to 8 in the third. Porzingis was a crucial part of turning that around. Number 2 takeaway. Celtics took away the passing game of the Mavericks. Luka Doncic is an elite scorer, as well as Kyrie Irving is a bucket getter of the highest order. However, what unlocks the Dallas offense, what lifted the team out of the West and into the NBA Finals, was defenses collapsing on Doncic and Irving, and them finding open shooters in the corners or bigs crushing the rim for lobs. Boston didn't leave Doncic and Irving those options. The Celtics stayed one-on-one mostly with Doncic and Irving, daring the two stars to beat them as scorers. Dallas made one corner 3 all night, and that was in the final minute of the game, and they had to lob dunks through the competitive portion of the game. Mukhang napaghandaan talaga ng Celtics ang laban na ito. Well, congratulations kay Coach Joe Mazzulla. As a team, Dallas had only 9 assists on the night. Through the Western Conference playoffs, Mavericks players shot 57% when Doncic passed to them, but in Game 1, they were 1 of 6. Doncic handled the pressure well and finished with 30 points on 12 of 26 shooting plus 10 rebounds. However, Kyrie Irving struggled, shooting 6 of 19 on his way to only 12 points. Number 3. Celtics out to prove that they are for real. Just how good are the Celtics? Just one of the questions coming into the series. Boston answered that question convincingly in Game 1. It was never a question of talent. The Celtics had the best starting 5 in the league and won 64 games. It was a question of focus. Boston answered that question in the first 24 minutes of the game, where it scored 63 points on 54.5 shooting overall and was 11 of 27 from 3, thanks mainly to Porzingis. Boston will face more challenges in this series. Dallas can play and will play better, and the Celtics will be tested. Thanks for watching Game 1 of the NBA Finals between the Dallas Mavericks and the Boston Celtics on Uncle Beams TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting coverage. See you in Game 2!